Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to auto factory reset after 20 incorrect unlock attempts on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to lock screen and AOD and then tap on it and then tap on secure lock settings. Provide your PIN pattern or password. So let me do that. And on this screen you can see here we have auto factory reset, this option. So we have to enable it. So to enable it you have to enable this toggle button next to it. So to enable this toggle button just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now enabled. So when it is enabled, it says here after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So before enabling this option, you should be very careful because it will delete all of your data after 20 incorrect unlock attempts. So I recommend you to always take backup of your data before enabling this option. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.